Breaking news! After our reaction to the teaser trailer for Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event for the Galaxy S22, we now have the date. Finally, thanks to the official event invite trailer. Galaxy S22, here we come. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube, SamMobile TV. Here's our quick thoughts and breakdown of the official trailer of the Galaxy S22 Unpacked event. The cat is finally out of the bag and we officially have the date and time for the Galaxy S22 Unpacked event, which is set for Wednesday, the 9th of February 2022, 3 p.m. GMT UK time. This makes it exactly 1 year and 26 days since the announcement of the S21 series, and to say we are eager to finally get an official look at the follow-up flagship series is an understatement to say the least, especially since the whirlwind of rumors and leaks this time round. Now let's discuss the trailer and what information it gives away apart from what we know and expect already. It's a 30-second trailer, which is double the length of the initial teaser trailer given to us from before. The first 9 seconds of the trailer shows a first-person point of view of someone walking into a dark and low-lit tunnel. You then see two yellow glowing eyes appear in the dark, which then shows a tiger artwork picture taken on a phone we suspect is meant to represent the upcoming Galaxy S22 Plus. Around the 12-second mark of the trailer, for a short period showcasing the all-screen Galaxy phone, it shows taking a slow-motion, low-light video capture of someone pulling a wheelie stunt on a motorbike. The last part, from the 15-second mark, shows the person in the first-person point of view running up the stairs, then making a square shape with both hands, showing the inner square with a perfect exposure in the nighttime compared to the outer surroundings being dark. This is then followed by an open transition of both hands, which then shows a perfect night exposure of the skyline and horizon of the nighttime image, followed by the tagline, "Break through the night," and then followed by the last line, "Break the rules of light," with the date, February 9th, 2022 below, while still showing the perfectly exposed nighttime picture in the background. This trailer gives us a big indication that the focus this time round will not only just be on the camera, but mostly on the nighttime photography and nighttime video taking capabilities. The official invitation picture and animation also taglines the epic standard. Could this be Samsung finally bringing a new high-level standard to low light and nighttime photography we've yet to see from them, bringing also potentially their own new standard and quality to astrophotography, and also cracking the code to a much higher quality for low light and nighttime video we've yet to see on smartphones. Now let's go back to the last section of the trailer. Seeing the tagline like "Break the rules of light" is a big hype and statement piece that really does leave us very eager to see how far they will push the camera hardware to unlock the full potential when it comes to nighttime capture. Compared to the teaser, we only see the shape of one device, which we think looks more like the representation of the S22 Plus, rather than the more boxy note-like design of the leaked and rumored S22 Ultra. Unless stated otherwise, we are still expecting to see at least 3 devices announced on the 9th of February, being the S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. It would be the first time Samsung could surprise us and announce additional Galaxy phone devices, but so far there is no indication of that. It looks like we might be in for a treat come the 9th of February for Unpacked. From the fusion of the S and the Note series to birth the upcoming S22 Ultra to now showcasing the camera capture capabilities in low light and nighttime. Do you think the Galaxy S22 series will live up to the hype? Is there anything you spotted in the trailer that we missed? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.